Hi there, my name is Gustav and I would like to welcome you to my new YouTube channel, The Online Dollar Club, with the purpose of showing viewers how to make money online. I am excited to share with you the many ways that the internet can be used to generate a part-time or even a full-time income. In today's digital age, the internet has become a powerful tool for entrepreneurs and individuals looking to make money online. With the rise of e-commerce, social media, and digital marketing, there are now more opportunities than ever before to create a successful online business. Whether you are looking to start a side hustle, earn some extra cash, or even replace your full-time job, the internet offers a wide range of options to suit your needs and interests. From affiliate marketing and dropshipping to blogging and online courses, there are countless ways to monetize your skills and knowledge. One of the biggest advantages of making money online is the ability to work from anywhere in the world. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can run your business from the comfort of your own home, a coffee shop, or even a beach in Bali. This level of flexibility and freedom is a major draw for many people who are tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind. Another benefit of making money online is the potential for passive income. Unlike a traditional job where you are paid for your time, passive income streams allow you to earn money while you sleep. This can include things like affiliate marketing, digital products, and online courses that continue to generate revenue long after you have created them. Of course, making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and dedication to build a successful online business. However, with the right mindset and strategies, anyone can achieve financial freedom and create the life of their dreams. That's where this channel comes in. Our goal is to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and inspiration you need to start and grow your own online business. We will be sharing tips and strategies on everything from building a website and creating content to driving traffic and monetizing your audience. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and start making money online, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. We can't wait to help you achieve your goals and live the life you deserve. If you would like to find out more about this topic of how to make money online, click the subscribe button below and tap the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching my video and welcome to The Online Dollar Club.